Aeschylus, 525 BC, 456 BC, in Eleusis, a small town, about 27 kilometers northwest of Athens. He was an ancient Greek epic poet and tragedian. He is often described as the father of tragedy. He is also the first whose plays still survive. The others are Sophocles and Euripides. According to Aristotle, he expanded the number of characters in the theater and allowed conflict among them. Formerly, characters interacted only with the chorus. There are only 7 of his estimated 70 to 90 plays have survived. There is a long-standing debate regarding the authorship of one of them, Prometheus Bound, with some scholars arguing that it may be the work of his son Euphorion. Aeschylus was the yearly favorite in the Dionysia, winning first prize in nearly every competition. God always strives together with those who strive. It is not the oath that makes us believe the man, but the man the oath. We should know what is true, before we break our rage. It is in the character of very few men to honor, without envy, a friend who has prospered. There is no pain so great as the memory of joy in present grief. Obedience is the mother of success, and is wedded to safety. They sent forth men to battle, but no such men return. And home, to claim their welcome, come ashes in an urn. For it would be better to die once, and for all than to suffer pain for all one's life. The one knowing what is profitable, and not the man knowing many things, is wise. Many men who transgress justice, honor appearance over reality. Nothing forces us to know what we do not want to know, except pain. You have been trapped in the inescapable net of ruin by your own want of sense. I would far rather be ignorant than knowledgeable of evil. Death is easier than a wretched life, and better never to have borne than to live and fare badly. In every tyrant's heart there springs in the end this poison, that he cannot trust a friend. It is best for the wise man not to seem wise. There is no sickness worse for me than words that to be kind must lie. And one who is just of his own free, shall not lack for happiness. And he will never come to utter ruin. By polluting clear water with slime, you will never find good drinking water. You shall learn, though late, the lesson of how to be discreet. Unjustly men hate death, which is the greatest defense against their many ills. If you pour oil and vinegar into the same vessel, you would call them not friends but opponents. Self-will in the man who does not reckon wisely is by itself the weakest of all things. Search well and be wise, nor believe that self-willed pride will ever be better than good counsel. Don't try to make intelligent decisions when your brain is hyped. For a deadly blow, let him pay with a deadly blow. It is for him who has done a deed to suffer. Justice inclines her scales, so that wisdom comes at the price of suffering. Fortune is for all, judgment is theirs who have won it for themselves. For there is no defense for a man who in the excess of his wealth, has kicked the great altar of justice out of sight. There are times when fear is good. It must keep its watchful place at the heart's controls. If a man should wanton walk with crime, he shall find in death no great deliverance. Tame the savageness of man, and make gentle the life of this world. Happiness is a choice that requires effort at times. It is easy when we are in prosperity to give advice to the afflicted. He who goes unenvied shall not be admired. God loves to help him who strives to help himself. Whoever is just willingly, and without compulsion, will not lack happiness. He will never be utterly destroyed. The cure is in the house, not brought by other hands from distant places, but by its own, in agony and blood. Obedience is the mother of success, and success the parent of salvation. It is easy for the one who stands outside the prison wall of pain to exhort and teach the one who suffers. I have been schooled by my own suffering. I've learned the many ways of being purged. I have not need to promise what I cannot do. Give me an answer which is plain to understand. I have learned to hate all traitors, and there is no disease that I spit on more than treachery. Destiny waits alike for the free man, as well as for him enslaved by another's might. It is an easy thing for one whose foot is on the outside of calamity, to give advice and to rebuke the sufferer. Many among men are they who set high the show of honor, yet break justice. Who apart from the gods is without pain for his whole lifetime's length. The anvil of justice is planted firm, and fate who makes the sword does the forging in advance.
Thank you for watching, and hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Enjoy my videos on my channel.